Hey everyone, I'm Sydney. Today we're here with Dmytro from the SKALE Labs team. We're going to take you through a Metaport widget demo, one of SKALE's brand new releases. We're super excited about this. And Dmytro, just a few questions before we head into the demo. So tell us a little bit about your background.
Basically, I've met with Stan, our CTO, at the university. So one of our teachers at the university invited Stan to give a lecture on computer science, and back then I had lots of like crazy ideas about apps. So I've tried to pitch them to Stan back then, and he invited me to join the company. So that's basically the backstory, how I met Stan.
Yeah, very cool. So what do you do exactly at SKALE? Like, what is your role?
So basically, I'm a software engineer at SKALE. I'm working, like previously before Metaport, I've been mostly working on the node components. So that's basically the software that validator are running on their machines that allows them to keep up SKALE chains working, to upgrade them, to move them to receive bounties. So I've been working on this part, but right now I'm working more on the Metaport side, on IMA transfers. So that will be the topic today.
Yeah. And what specifically is Metaport? What problem does this solve? And how does SKALE's infrastructure allow for a easy user experience?
So we basically have two sets of contracts. Part of these contracts are deployed on Ethereum mainnet, and part of these contracts are deployed to each SKALE chain in this system. And this contract allows to transfer different kinds of tokens between the chains, and from mainnet to the chain, and then from chain to chain. And what Metaport allows users to do is basically to simplify the process of this token transfers. So you can interact with these contracts and transfer tokens between the chains much more easily.
Awesome. Well, we would love to see how this works. So moving on to the demo portion, let's see how we use this in a day-to-day experience and how easy it is to use this product.
Yeah, so we have this small demo website where you can try different use cases of Metaport widget. So one of the demos is this metals demo, which showcases ERC-1155 token transfers between two chains. So as you can see here, we have 100 of first place medals. We have 2,000 of second place medals. We have 30,000 of third place medals minted on this chain. So for this ERC-1155, this dog chain is the origin chain. We also have cat chain, which is the destination chain. And we can transfer ERC-1155s between those two chains using Metaport. So this demo showcases how Metaport can be integrated into the DApp. So this website right here that you're seeing right now is the DApp layer. We also have a Metaport layer that interacts with this website. So if you want to transfer some metals from one chain to another, we can just put some amount right here and click move. And as you can see, Metaport widget pops up, and we have source chain and destination chains pre-selected. Also, we have our token ID and amount selected, and I've already approved on this contract. So approve step is already skipped. So we can go to transfer, just hit transfer. You need to confirm the transaction in MetaMask. And by the way, we can also follow the process in Block Explorer. So if we'll go to Block Explorers on both chains. So that's the source chain. As you can see, we've just sent 40 second place medals to the second chain. On this side, it's the destination chain. On destination chain, just 20 seconds ago, we had this 20 token, this 40 tokens minted on the destination chain, and as you can see, they've moved here. So now we have a bit more second place medals on the destination chain. So that's just one of the use cases of Metaport. It's chain-to-chain ERC-1155 transfers. We also have support of ERC-20 token transfers, ERC-721, ERC-1155. So that's what it looks like. You can also transfer between Ethereum mainnet and SKALE chains. So that's how it looks like. So here, between Ethereum mainnet and cat chain, we have only ETH linked, so we can transfer ETH. If we'll select dog chain, we have different set of tokens linked to this chain. So we have SKALE here, and transfer SKALE. You just put an amount, hit transfer. So that will trigger a transaction on Ethereum mainnet, and will transfer tokens to dog chain. So that's basically how it works. The app developer can configure the Metaport to match his or her website. They can customize which chains will be available in the widget, which tokens will be available on the widget, and can integrate everything with their app.
Thank you for that demo. This was super helpful in understanding this feature and how it works and how to use it in a day-to-day use case. Thank you for showing the entire community how this works. We're super excited about it again. And do you have any last few words that you just want to share with the community about this?
Yeah, I'm just hope that you'll be able to try this by yourself soon.
Yeah. Well, everyone, go ahead and try it for yourselves. Thanks again, Dmytro, and see y'all later.